guys, welcome back to Katia Valino's channel. Katia Valino. Guys, please do me a favor, click that red button to subscribe and hit on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's dive down into making a wonderful aloe vera with coffee grind mask to brighten up your skin. Of aloe vera here. We just need the gel of the aloe vera. So you want to take out the green part, and I have this gel of aloe vera. I am going to toss it into the bullet just to bring it to liquidified consistency. So I'm going to pour it into this small plastic container. I will use both the fresh and the already made aloe vera because not a whole lot of people have access to fresh aloe vera. Just in case you cannot find aloe vera, make sure you get the gel and also make sure that it is organic aloe vera gel. So this is why I wanted to add just a little bit of the aloe vera gel. This is brand new. Yeah, so you can get it. Make sure that you have organic aloe vera gel. So I will use 1 teaspoon of this just to mix it up. Aloe vera. So I have it in this bowl. Aloe vera is super to tighten and brighten up your skin, especially if you are fighting and battling age, wrinkles, puffy eyes, discoloration. Use aloe vera. The next thing I have here is coffee grind. Coffee grind, you know what coffee grind is going to do to your skin? It's going to wake up all those dead capillaries on your skin, just to help. When you wake up the dead capillaries, it helps to boost up the collagen production and also help to brighten your skin. You can use any coffee. So I have 1 teaspoon of coffee grind into this aloe vera, and I'm going to mix it all up. Yes. So after you have mixed it up, you need a brush, or you can use your fingers to apply it on your skin. Make sure you get around the eye area. It will also help to decrease the puffiness and the dark circle around your eye area. So feel free to add a little bit more coffee if you feel that it's too liquid for you. There is no actual right consistency for this. So bring it all the way down to your neck area. Make sure you cover your entire face, your neck, your mouth area where we have this aging line. After you have applied this, you are going to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes just to get it dry up on your face. So let's wait for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, it's time to wash it off. Yeah, you gotta wash it off with lukewarm water. So let's get it out of the way. So you wash it off, and you can go ahead and apply your favorite moisturizer. But for me, I will use this vitamin C serum that I made. I'm going to leave the link at the bottom of this video. I made this vitamin C serum from scratch. I will leave the link at the first comment section, and I'm gonna spray it all over my face, and I'm gonna wait for another 5 minutes for this to absorb into my skin, and I can apply moisturizer, or I can leave it the way it is. Thank you guys. Remember to subscribe and share the video. Bye.